Whenever you're going to create any application, like you needed three type of medium. One is that front end, second is what? Database, and third is what? Back end. ये दिख रहा है उसमें. So like from front end, it is going to here, right? All good? So in between of that, we need to use one medium that's called PHP, and this is the server-side scripting language, right? Is it okay? You understand? So if we will start writing the code in PHP, so definitely we can extract the data from here and we can send to the database. It means what? Like if anybody is going to put the data inside of this input control, we will take the data to the PHP. This is called xyz.php, right? This is called xyz.php. So we will take the data here, we will process it, and then we will send to the database. This is the process. Medium, like medium I told you, in between. This is the front end, this is the database. But in between of the medium you can do anything, right? Like ASP, JSP, PHP or any other languages. All good? So what are the code we have to write over here? That's we need to understand. That's we need to understand. Everybody understand this one. Everybody understand this one, right? We need to understand what exactly we are going to write. So before understanding this, to writing the code, we will just understand what exactly PHP, right? Because basic patterns we need to understand in the PHP, then only we will be able to execute those code. All good? Okay.